Hi guys, we're gonna be doing an unboxing ASMR. This is the thing we're gonna be unboxing. It's bracelet beads. So there's this little bit right here. And now I'm taking it off. OMG, my mom is on the phone. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, so there's this bit. I'm filming, hello! Okay, so there's like these bits here. Let's open. Let's open it. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. Wait, is there a bit? Yeah, there's like tape bit. Okay. Wait, let me close it back again and then like let's get the tape off. Like, oh my god, it's so hard to close it. I'm just gonna have to do it with one of them open. Okay. Okay. It's so hard with my nails. Wait, I gotta pause this. I opened it with scissors. Now let's do the other side. I opened it and this is how it looks. I'm gonna make my auntie a bracelet out of all of these because it's her birthday soon and she bought this for me. So I'm really happy. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you my favorite. I love the beads, like the clay beads, but my favorites are like the pearls. I thought this one was gonna be your favorite. No, it isn't. I closed it, guys, because I gotta go to my auntie's house. So bye, guys. Have a great day /night/afternoon or whatever. But have a great day.